that's left now is to go pull up to a nice freshwater creek. Currently hoping there is a lot of water in it so we can sit and chill, and it's time for a hydration session. So yeah, looking at what's here, it's pretty dry. I think we're going to skip our swim and just head on straight to camp. But don't panic, we have a lot of segments ready for you. Let's keep going.
So here we are down at the other end of the beach. We've set up down there. We're going to throw these pots in, then we're going to have a feed, have a hydration session, check back in later with us.
Oh, sorry, Spud. Where's the...
Civilization, the shoe was not his fit. You see the times have changed just to make Sonny stranger. This dog was never gonna sit. Break down.
I'll just be here in my trailer. My air-conditioned trailer.
Break down.
Hey bro. Just pretty fucking pussy looking to me.
What's that? You're sleeping in the heat and I'm in the aircon.
Yeah, nah, you're right. You just think about yourself, bro.
Yeah. He's just jealous, eh? I think ahead. Oh, fuck, that's good.
Break down. Don't wait.
Hey!
Hey, we got one. Looks a bit small though. Way too small.
Yeah, we better throw them motherfuckers back.
Yeah, too small. Well, that was a complete fail. Absolutely no crabs, and the crabs we did catch, they were a bit undersized, so we had to let them go. But I'm sure Spud has an excellent idea.
So you want to see how good you are? Then you must be tired of living.
Below a battle plugger. Alright guys, we had no luck with any crabs. I'm feeling a bit, you know, for that seafood quench. So we're going for the Aussie sushi. Alright, we have the Aussie Vegemite, we have the snags, and we have a sushi kit. I'm also dressed up in my karate outfit. Alright, first things first, I've got to get some water in my pot. Oh, cheers, bro. Yeah, woo. Fucking hell, it's not. I've only got a little bit of rice, bro. Righto, let's get this fired away. We have seaweed. Oh, we have some sushi seasoning powder. We have some soy sauce. What the fuck is that? I don't know what that is. Looks like some sauce.
You can't not have wasabi.
No, I don't want wasabi.
Easy
I
to
hate the shit.
product from Japan. Oh,
We'll slap some sausages down, get them nice and cooked up. No need for knives these days, you just use your fingers or you just... Look at that. Beautiful. I've had too many beers. Way too many beers. Never enough, but... To prepare sushi. Ah, fuck that, too much reading. We'll just cook it as it goes. What do you reckon? This thing's come to a boil. Let's whack the rice in and see how we go with all this water. Just tip it in there like that.
oh, back Spud right now. How to cook
No,
rice.
how I cook rice, and this is how Katie cooks rice. Put it on, boil the water, throw the rice in, stir it till it comes to a boil. Rice is done.
Camera crew, is really disagreeing with us right now. We're about in a punch up.
Fuck the camera crew. Let's just cook it the way I like it. We didn't come prepared tonight, so I'm gonna get Cody to hold this like that. And I'm gonna tip boiling hot water through this, and we should be left with delicious rice
And 3rd-degree burns.
Take it off
Everyone
the heat.
has a different
Let
fucking
it
way
swell itself.
cooking rice. Spud and I have our way. What is Spud doing? He's raiding Matty's food.
He's on the floor.
He's not even going to eat your food. Matty's cooked the roast. And Spud's over there eating it.
Just a quick pit stop in at Matty's camp. Just grab myself some delicious pork sandwich. Been on the roast for a couple of hours.
This is why you're not allowed white shirts. You know that.
Right.
That's why all the sick puppy merch is black.
How's that rice going there, bro?
Good, mate. Couple more minutes. Just needs a bit more of a boil. We'll get it, mate. You just finished your roast pork sandwich. Rice is done. Attempt to strain it.
Oh, bud, that doesn't look safe
It's fucking hot.
at all.
Nah, should be right. I got garden gloves.
Ah, fuck! Yeah, bro. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. I'll just go back to the pork sanger. They are spectacular.
We're just going to give a subtle shout out to your pest right now.
Look at that. It even comes with a strainer.
It's hot. Don't drop it back in the water.
Can we tip it back in the pot now? Yeah, that'll do. Look at that.
There we go.
Plenty. I'm moving on. We're going to the sushi seasoning powder now. Give it a bit of a sprinkle in there. Sausages are done. Rice is done. Seasoning's in there. Right, the next step is to roll the sushi up with me sausages and Vegemite. So I'll get me seaweed. Cody's cutting it up here for me. Yeah, cheers, mate. Bit of seaweed. Now, we get the sausage.
Rice first.
No, sausage first.
Okay, bro.
Put the sausage on there. Yeah, just a whole sausage.
Wouldn't you go rice first, though?
Rice on, that way the rice is on the outside and the meat's in the direct centre.
I thought it was just like a tortilla,
rice
bud. You
on.
just Alright, I've been overridden here, so I'm going to put the rice in first. So, I'll get my scooper happening here. Now you just got to put a squirt of Vegemite on it. Just one seam down the middle. Righto, time for a snag there, young bloke. Right. Beautiful. Righto. Bit more rice. Are you taste testing this, Cody? Because I ain't.
Fuck it, I'll do it. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty good.
Perfect. Look at that. Nice bead straight down the guts of it. Alright, beautiful. Now that is Australian authentic sushi. Let's roll him up, eh? What the fuck? Yes, sir.
It's pretty good, Spud. Okay, mate, we get a bit of a, what do they call it when you cross section? It actually looks good, Spud. There's soy sauce on top.
Up him.
Taste test. I may die.
Pretty good, bro. The Vegemite and the soy sauce don't mix, do they?
Oh, I'll feel that one tomorrow.
Oh yeah?
No, it's like the Vegemite with the rice. It's a wild flavour, man.
Let's have a go myself. Wait. Oh, I can't. Yeah, nah, bro. That is just not good. Alright, that's it. That was pretty much a big failure. So, what we're going to do is we're going to walk over to old Matty's camp. We're going to go and finish off his lovely pork that he made. We'll have a hydration session. Catch up with us tomorrow, guys. See you later.
So the boys are all packed up. Spud and I went and checked the crab pots. Out of 4 of the crab pots, we had 1 crab, and it was completely undersized, so we threw him back. Now we're going to head back the way we came, and there's a completely different track going down. So that should be interesting, considering that everyone's a bit seedy and a bit of food poisoning from Chef Spud's sushi. But let's give it a crack. There's only one way out of here, and that's back that way. Here we are back at the hill climb. Now, like I said before, going down is a lot harder than going up, but we're going to sacrifice old Denise first, and then we're going to get the other cars down. Spud's down there, he's going to guide me, and we'll make short work of this. The hard bit is you can't winch down. You've got to rely on throttle control and your brake. And I'm in a dirty old Land Cruiser with none of that, and no power steering, so this one should be interesting for me. Well, only one thing left to do, let's hit it.
Beautiful, righto, go left, left, left.
So I'm through now. Now we're just going to guide Matty down, see if he gets down without busting up another panel. The issue with Matty is his wheels aren't real wide, and like you see the Denise wheels are outside the cab, so you can push in those weird obstacles. Whereas this thing, the wheels are in and the cab's out here. So you can't really rub up against a rock because you're going to do some panel damage.
Yep.
And that's like our best car here, so we don't want to damage it.
Yep, go straight there, man.
You're going to get to a seesaw part and it's going to drop down the front, but don't panic, just hold your brake on. Release pressure and just ride it down now, nice and steady. Straighten it up. This way.
Right. Go. Right, come straight. What shot, bro?
Don't move.
Yeah, you're right. Come straight. No, you're gonna have to go left hand down there. You're jamming on the right. Righto, just drive forward, straight forward. Righto, keep going, righto, go left.
It happened.
Well, the old cheap fucking eBay side steps held up alright. I think I've bent the sill a little bit, but she'll be right. Looks spectacular. Oh!
I think it's time for a set of rock sliders for all the cars.
I got some, they're called the banana sliders, mate. So when you get over that rock, it slides over the rock.
It folds, matches the rock, give you a nice pivot point.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, that's everyone down the hill. Thank goodness for that. Next obstacle is the rock garden. We're going to scoot through that and then pub feed.
Pub feed. Pub feed. Pub feed.
Let's go. Let's hit it.
Yeah, Spud's out. Alrighty, we're back here at RMG. We've had our coffee at the coffee shed. Now, if you want any gear that you've seen us using in the show today, RMG sells it all. Our new EFS winch performed flawlessly. It got us up the top of the hill, no worries. That is it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget, Headlock merch. You want t-shirts, stickers, key rings, that's the place to go. Don't forget the YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. We've got to make it to 100K. We're so close, fellas. 10,000 more and we're there. Also Patreon, like $1 a month, you get the behind the scenes content. I'm on there, you can talk to me and Spud, and also I have another show called The Doghouse via the Patreon. That's where you get to see me tinker with this thing, tinker with the Jeep, and all other little bits I do regarding the show. Instagram, follow me on Instagram at SickPuppy4x4, follow Spud on Instagram at SpudChef. Till next time, we'll see you next week.